It's Operation Clean Up the Farm. Clean up the farm. We're cleaning.
So we'll just pick it up when they finish.
Because they don't care about waste management in Ghana. So we're cleaning. Everyone is cleaning. Family affair. Including the dogs. Right? Right, Lila? Are we cleaning? Of course.
Who said I was
Only tummy rub.
Hi. Get up.
Lila. Hi. Lila, what is it? You want me to rub your tummy? Okay, lie down. Lie down. Lila loves tummy rub, okay? See her face when you give her tummy rub. Lila, hey, what are you doing?
She's still a brat even though she's at a farm.
So we're cleaning. Good job. Nichelle's gonna get the first egg. Mom, when the chickens start laying.
More than that. Egg. Mom, I picked up more of that.
You're gonna get the 10th one. 10th egg. Nichelle gets the first. Francisca get the second. I get the third. Kenneth will get the fourth. And I'll give the rest to the dog till it gets to 10.
Wow.
And then you get the 10th one, okay?
Mommy, I gave them
You don't want the 10th egg?
No.
Why not?
Tell why are you actually crying?
Okay, you get the third one, okay? I'll give you mine.
You a stop.
Lila, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Your mouth in the well.
Huh?
Where's Huddy?
Lila's on the farm. Permanently.
Huddy!
Operation cleanup. It's almost done. It's almost time to then go home. This was a Saturday well spent. I was happy with the result. After that, it was so nice and clean, and I'm so glad. Hopefully we'll keep it up. Yes guys, this is a quick video of how we keep the farm clean. I get the kids involved as usual. Yes, they threw the water sachet everywhere on the farm, and like since construction, all the cement bags everywhere was such a mess, and I hated it. So I took the kids there one Saturday, and then every time they're on holiday we go there and we clean up. And yes, I tell the workers or the people that come over, don't throw the water sachet on the floor and all that, but hey, they still do it. So once in a while I go clean. Yes, I have to do it myself or the kids. We don't have all that employee to do that. You know, that's the beginning stages of any business. So we get down and dirty. And yeah, I motivate them by saying they'll get the first egg and all that. So anyways, this is just a short video. If you have a farm, how do you manage your waste? Okay, how do you manage it? And one thing too, they like to burn the garbage. I hate the smell of burnt garbage. So I would really appreciate if you can share how you manage waste on your farm in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And I'll see you in the next video, okay? Until next time, smile. See miracles in life every day. Bye for now.